Hey, I'm Leo. Come along with me for a day in my life as a business hospitality student at NSCC. It's going to be a long day, so first I have to stop for a coffee at the student-run campus cafe before classes start. My first class of the day is Finance and Revenue Management, and that's Johnny telling us all about finance statement analysis. Next, I had HR issues in hospitality. Then it was off for some lunch. I met up with classmates in the cafeteria and we talked about what we have going on the rest of the day. After lunch, I had to Fresh 21. It's a classroom that's also a restaurant open to the public. This is the second last service of the year, and our instructor Garth gave us a pep talk before we get the room set up. Then we transformed the space into a restaurant. I moved tables, laid place settings, helped set up a bar. Here's me and a classmate practicing some bar tricks, and prep the coffee and tea trays. Small break here to practice my barista skills and have some more coffee. Then it's almost time for dinner. We go to the kitchen to hear about the menu for the evening. It's a 7-course tasting menu and wow, everything looks delicious. Then the guests arrive. One of my tables orders some fancy wine. So here's Garth giving me a crash course on the bottle and what to tell my table about it. Once dinner service wraps up, we clean up the space, pack away the bar, and once the space is clean and tidy, I head home to relax and prepare for tomorrow.